Dreamwings.
Long ago, between snowy mountains and a quiet valley, there was a village called Eldora. In the center of the village stood a strange tall black stone. Old symbols were carved on it. The people called it Fairy of Stone. People said that a fairy was trapped inside the stone. But no one knew who she was or why she was trapped. The first story, The Lost Princess. Many years ago, a princess named Alia suddenly disappeared. She was kind and very brave. One night, she went into the forest and she never came back. Some people said a wizard kidnapped her. Others said she went to search for a secret. The elders of the village would whisper,
She wouldn't just vanish. A wizard must have taken her into the woods.
No, she spoke of the hidden spring. She must have gone searching for the secret herself.
The carving on the stone looks like Alia's eyes. But no one was sure. The second story, The Broken Promise. In the village lived a young boy named Aryan. His grandmother often told him a story. Long ago, humans and fairies trusted each other, but one human broke a promise made to the fairy queen. As punishment, a fairy was trapped inside a stone. She can only be free when someone with a true heart keeps the promise again. Every time Aryan heard this, he wondered, is there really a fairy inside that stone? The third story, The Shadow Forest. Behind the village was a dark forest. No one went there after sunset. People said a shadow lived there. It guarded the stone. Anyone who went too close would return in fear. But one night, Aryan made a decision. The night of suspense crescent moon. The moon was half in the sky. The wind was strange and cold. Aryan stood in front of the stone. Suddenly, the carvings on the stone began to glow. Who is there? Aryan asked with fear. A soft but deep voice answered. The one who waits for the promise. Aryan's heart beat fast. A face appeared on the stone. It was beautiful, sad, but strong. I am Alia, not fully fairy, not fully human. I am trapped between two worlds. All the stories came together in Aryan's mind. Alia said she was the daughter of the fairy queen.
I am the daughter of the fairy queen.
But she fell in love with a human. People thought it was betrayal, so she was trapped inside the stone to keep both worlds apart. But that was not the full truth. The human was innocent, Alia said. He did not break the promise. Someone else did. The queen's own advisor broke it. He wanted the two worlds to stay separated. Aryan was shocked. Suddenly, the shadow came out of the forest. But it was not a monster. It was an old man, a friend of Aryan's grandmother. I saw the truth, the old man said. Aryan learned that his family was related to the human who was blamed. Aryan was the last link to that old promise. Emotional moment, broken heart. Tears shined in Alia's eyes. If you believe in the truth, I will be free. But the wall between the two worlds will fall forever. There may be danger. Aryan closed his eyes. I choose truth, not fear, he said. Aryan placed his hand on the stone.
Alia, I give you my promise. I will be brave, I will be strong, and I will restore the magic of this land.
The stone shone brightly. The ground shook. The shadow disappeared. For a moment, everything was silent. The stone was broken. But Alia did not disappear. She stood there, made of light, but real. My prison is over, she said. But I will not be a queen. I will be a bridge between the two worlds. The villagers woke up. They saw lights in the sky. For the first time, humans and fairies came close without fear. Elia looked at Aryan.
Aryan, thank you for everything you have done. I could not have done it without you.
With time, Eldora became a place of peace. The forest was no longer dark. Where the stone once stood, there was now a bright garden. Children played there, and sometimes soft lights danced in the air. And people would softly say, "This is the place where Perry of Stone taught us that truth, love, and courage are the greatest magic."